I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. Today what I'm doing is I'm making a custom splash screen for my Jumper T16. You know the image that shows up that says, "Welcome to Jumper TX." Well, we're going to change that image to something custom. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new file. I'm using Photoshop here, but you can use any photo editor you want. That file is going to be 480 by 272 pixels. And let's just start with this image of my car. Yeah, why not? Well, like that. We'll drop that in. It'll resize it down to... it's a little interesting. Oh, there we go. It wasn't taking up the whole image, but there we go. And then... let's see here. Which is going to look better? The black initials or the white initials? I think the white initials are going to look better. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Put them right down there. Oh, that's not bad. Awesome. Yeah, I like the look of that. That's good. So then we're going to file, export as PNG. We're going to save it out as a PNG. And we're going to save that as splash.png. And we're going to... oh, gracious. Well, I don't know where I just exported that. Let's try that again. We're going to export that as splash.png to there we go, to my SD card, which I've plugged in. And we're going to save that in the images folder. Just like that. Is that all it takes? Yeah! Oh, it works! Oh, that's amazing! Yeah, that's all there is to it. Just create a... that's freaking amazing. All right, well, there you go.